in a person's determination. With this inspiring thought, we extend a very warm and energetic
Deputy Superintendent of Police, he oversees and ensures the effective implementation of traffic regulations for the past 2 years.
And for bringing us all together on this occasion of our annual sports day. We humbly seek your blessings on all our participants, protect them from harm, and inspire them to uphold fairness, respect, and true sportsmanship in all events. We humbly seek your blessings on them. Bless our teachers and our coaches who work tirelessly to prepare us and to inspire us to strive for excellence. May this day bring joy, unity, and courage to accept both victory and defeat with grace. We ask you to be with us throughout this program with grace and to protect harmony and be success. Amen.
and healthy competition, let us first seek the blessings of the Almighty. Prayer gives us strength and sportsmanship. To play fair, accept victory with humility and defeat with grace. To invoke divine blessings on this annual sports day, we now present a prayer dance, a beautiful expression of faith, hope, and gratitude for
जैसा सोचोगे तुम वैसा बन जाओगे जैसा कर्म होगा वैसा फल पाओगे श्रेष्ठ कर्म का आधार है खुद का कर लो दर्शन यही जीवन का सार है यही जीवन का सार है जैसा सोचोगे तुम वैसा बन जाओगे जैसा कर्म होगा वैसा फल पाओगे मन में हो शुभ संग हार कर जो ना हारे जीतों से की होती है घनघोर अंधेरे में भी जलती जगमग उसकी ज्योति है जैसा देखोगे तुम वैसा बन जाओगे बन जाओगे तो है जीवन जीवन है तो है भगवान भगवान के संग जैसा कर्म करोगे वैसा पाओगे जैसा सोचोगे तुम वैसा बन जाओगे जैसा यही जीवन का सार है
to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome
It gives me great pleasure to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed chief guest, DSP Shri Purushottam Bhoi sir. We are truly honored by your gracious presence with us today. Sir, your dedicated service and leadership inspire our students to grow with discipline, courage and integrity. A warm welcome to our dear parents whose constant support and encouragement strengthen every step our children take. We also extend our sincere welcome to the respected members of the managing committee. Your guidance and trust help us create a nurturing and vibrant learning environment. Today, we celebrate more than races and scores. We celebrate the spirit of healthy competition, teamwork, perseverance, and the sincere efforts of our students, guided and nurtured by our teachers. Sports help build character, resilience, and a sense of fair play. Dear sir, your presence truly adds dignity to this occasion and motivates our students. Let us all embrace true sportsmanship, cheer one another with enthusiasm, and make this annual Sports Day a joyful and memorable experience. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
We now felicitate our honored chief guest, Mr. Purushottam Bhoi, who motivates our valuable time for us and encouraging students with your presence. So Bhoi,
and teamwork are the true foundation of sportsmanship, and nothing reflects these values better than the math pass.
red symbolizes courage, strength and leadership. With their heads held high and flags flying proudly, they remind us that true winners never give up. Next we have Blue House, Commander Ankita Swine and the flag bearer Sanvi Karnaik. Following them is a calm yet powerful Blue House group. Blue represents confidence, loyalty and focus. Their synchronized steps reflect discipline and their steady march shows that great strength lies in calm determination. Next comes the Yellow House troop. Commander is Suryanshu Agarwal and flag bearer Ankita Sahu. Marching in with sunshine spirit is the Yellow House troop. Yellow stands for hope, positivity and enthusiasm. With smiles on their faces and pride in their stride, they prove that a joyful heart makes a strong competitor. And now we welcome the refreshing and resilient The torch is lit. The sacred flame is now handed over to our first torch bearer, Vivek Bilung. Vivek Bilung is an outstanding long distance athlete. He has stood first in the 400 meters and 800 meters at the regional level. He has even participated in the national level CISCE championship. Range was selected for the regional level Kho-Kho organized by CISCE. He is even an outstanding football player.
Yes, boys, well done.
On behalf of all the
We will take part. In the Carmel School Athletics Championship.
respecting the regulations which govern them, and in desire to participate in them, for the spirit of true sportsmanship and the honor of our school and glory of sports.
Namaskar. Respected Principal Madam, respected teachers, respected gentlemen, respected parents, and my dear student and media person, and all dignitaries of the stadium. I am happy, glad to engage chief guest on such a occasion, and I have permitted from Principal, I speak in Odia. बहुत अच्छा बात है. एक ओडियार ढगा छी शरीर माध्यम खोड़ धर्म साधन संस्कृत कहूँ खोड़ धर्म माध्यम सर्व धर्म साधन अर्थात जार शरीर ठीक अच्छे जार शरीर ठीक अच्छे थोड़ा कमांडर थोड़ा विश्राम विश्राम ठीक अच्छे तो आम यही शरीर पाए आमको शरीर को ठीक करवार पड़ो शरीर केमती ठीक हम एथलेटिक्स स्पोर्ट्स खेलो कूदो नाचो गाओ उसके बाद पाठ पढ़ो ऐसा बात है तो जो एथलेटिक्स इट इज मीन फॉर ए शारीरिक आम जो देखु ये आम शरीर वी आर फिजिकल इट इज हैंड इट इज हेड बट देयर इज इनर पार्ट आ गोटे आम इनर इनर अच्छे आम इनर बॉडी अच्छे दैट इज मन मन एवं शरीर जहाँ ठीक ना ही कैन नॉट वर्क ही कैन नॉट वर्क से भल कम कर और बढ़िया जितने मैं शुणुली दोस्त जैसा सोच ऐसा होगा हमारा सोच टू बी पॉजिटिव through our athletics, through our sports, and it is a good job, and it is the actual time to your health, to your mind, to create a positive thing through sports and athletics. That must, thank you. I have sent some line. I hereby declare the Carmel School Annual Sports Meet 2025 open.
Come on audience, give a cheer to the winners. ताली बजती रहनी चाहिए.
Let's give a big round of applause for our girls champion Darshini Mohanty.
Ready?
To all present over here, on behalf of Carmel fraternity, I am privileged to express our sincere gratitude to each one of you for making our Carmel Sports Carnival 2025 Race to Excellence a grand success. I express my sincere gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, DSP Shri Purushottam Bhoi sir. We are honored by your presence and grateful for your inspiring words, sir. My sincere thanks to our respected principal, Sister Fedlis, for her tireless effort to ensure an enjoyable event. Sister Fedlis, your dedication to excellence is truly commendable. Special thanks to our parents, supporting staff, technical staff and volunteers. Your presence and cheering from the sidelines amplified every moment. Thank you for being our rock-solid support system. My sincere thanks to the Birsa Munda Athletic Stadium Association, Rourkela, the Odisha Sports and Youth Services Department for letting us host our sports event at your stadium. Your support meant a lot and we are grateful to you. My sincere thanks to our students, the champions, the real stars of today. Your incredible performances and true spirit of sportsmanship have made this day unforgettable. We are proud of you all. I would also like to thank all my teachers who worked hard to make this event a grand success. Thank you.
Back up, boys! Come on, audience, cheer for them! Come on! Come on, and be safe. Both are going head to head. Both are going head to head. Come on, finish the race. Finish the race, don't give up. Don't give up, complete the race. Superb. Wild energy, superb energy. Congratulations to the winners.
Yoga is an ancient Indian spiritual discipline, an art of living rooted in Sanskrit's roots, which means to join, aiming to unite mind, body and spirit for holistic health, self-realization and harmony with nature, immune health and fostering spiritual connection. Bhujapitasana or shoulder pressing pose is an advanced arm balancing yoga posture that demands significant strength, flexibility and focus. Vrikshasana or tree pose is a balancing yoga posture that strengthens
Good.
Now
Good. Complete karo. Stanti is leading the race. Slowly, Arnold is grabbing the speed. Come on, buck up, boys. Go for it. All of you clap for the athletes. Complete.
Parents, give a big round of applause for the winners. They are our young champions.
I request all the students in the gallery, you should encourage your friends. The encouragement should reach the Carmel school. The voice should be such a loud, the voice should reach the Carmel school. Now we have judges. कंप्लीट द रेस धीरे दौड़ो आराम से दौड़ो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं यू आर इन सेकेंड धीरे
obstacle race girls go to the victory stand. Alia Sara means Shriya Rani. Parents, please put your hand in first position, Shriya Rani Singh second position and Shriya third position. Shot put, the winners of Shivari and Anushka P. Pradhan.
Now we
Anushka P. Pradhan, third position. Put your hands together, dear parents.
Now we have class 6 100 meter boys final. First, Divyans Jyoti.
Wonderful performance. Thank you, dear students, for that thrilling and confident performance. Your sharp moves and strong spirit Now we have the
We are glad to inform you, dear parents, that we started karate in Kamal School in the year 1990.
Line number 6, Sneha. Line number 7, Shubhamshi. Line 6 girls. We will have class 7 girls. Class 7 girls, please get up and stand behind the participants.
इधर इधर कैमरा में
Class 7 girls 100 meter. Participants are Shreya Singh, Ladli, Shreya Minj, Shruti Kisan. Come on girls, go for it. Audience, please cheer. Come on.
We request the winners of shot put throw of class 9 secures the second position and Swastik Swarup
400 meter girls, class 12, Medha Dhar, Chitrangada Naik, and Anima Kisan. Please hurry up to the victory stand.
winners for shot put Sonali Sharma, Tanisha Shah and Shreya.
Chitrangada Naik, second position, and Anima Kisan, third position.
मैम और एक
And the ending point teachers, Melissa Miss, Jyoti Modak Miss, Millie Miss, kindly please.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. The number 10 is ahead. Come on.
The boys of class 5, Sai Shubham Naik, Aditya Raj and Shahid Khan.
After class 9 boys, we will have class 10 boys.
Sai Shubham, Aditya Raj, last class 6, 7, 8. Students who are in the aerobics, please get ready in your position.
Class 900-meter boys.
Biswajit Bagh, Abdul Rahman and Arkan Khan.
Aerobics.
Biswajit Bagh, Abdul Rahman and Arkan Khan. Go and stand there. And Yahya Larib in the 3rd position.
Ready?
9-meter, class 1100 meters. Participants, be ready.
Arkan Khan, Abdul Rahman, next we have and Arnab Priyadarshi, 3rd, Shendarvin Surun, Shrihan Smith Sahu, Arnab Priyadarshi, these are the karate champions from class 4. Also Asad Ahmed and Anshuman Kerketa. Parents, give a big round of applause for our karate champions.
Anay Dev of class 9, please report at the starting point.
Next,
400-meter race.
we have Adya Raj, Arushi Khalko and Aradhya Mahakul, the 3 girls champions from class 4. 3 girls champions from class 4, Adya Ray. Congratulations, our little karate champions.
Next, we have the winners of 100 meters race, boys, class 8. First prize goes to Shashwat Subuddhi, second, Anubhav Mahato, and the third goes
and 8C, Anubhav Mahato.
Come on, boys!
next class 800 meters track event for girls. The winners are Alzena Lakra, Aradhya Bankar, and the third position goes to Kavya Kumari and Anaya Kadir jointly. The winners of 100 meters girls.
Next, I request the best students of classes 9, 10, 11 and 12. Panigrahi, 9B Bhumika Kalat, 9C Swastik Swarup Pradhan, 10A Aditi.
Ma'am, इधर.
Class 11, Sushri Shita Senapati, Rehan Hobo and Advita Sahu.
Hey.
We now have the best students of class 12. Class 12 asks Ankita.
हाँ, इधर मैम. आ जाओ ग्रुप फोटो में.
Shake off she thighs. Smile upon her face before she pleads with desire. Coming around to make them girl a roll out the miles. Down there, when I'm down there, down there, when I'm down there, down there, when I'm down there, down there.
सिस्टर बोली ना अपना अंदर अंदर में भी घुस के लीजिएगा तो वरना अंदर वालों का नहीं आता।
Smile upon her face, we know she pleased with desire. Coming around to make them girl a roll out the mind.
मैम
Prize, Sailesh Bodra secures the second position and Ritesh Minj secures the third position. We request Vabisya, Sailesh and
Asutosh Tanti and Arpit Min.
the winners of javelin throw, Dinah Dias, Anurupa Rakshit and Anushka Pradhan. Please report to the starting point. This is the last and final call for class 9 and 10 boys for relay. Please report to the starting point. This is the last and final call for the relay class 9 and 10.
8-9.1 group.
Kindly reach the victory stand, Surabhi Ekka, Shalini Lakra and Priyanka Mahig. Kindly reach the victory stand. We request Maya Miss to competition and Priyanka Mahig secures the third position.
मैम इधर मैम
Nikki Aditi Kerketa and Shruti Sharma. Report at the announcement desk. Medadhar, Nikki Aditi Kerketa and Shruti Sharma.
Nancy Tilki, Shrishti Singh and Sudiksha Bhattacharya of class 9 are the winners of javelin throw. Kindly reach the victory stand, Nancy Tilki, Shrishti Singh and Sudiksha.
We request Sister Armelian to kindly do the honors. Kindly come up and honor our student sister. We request you to kindly come, Sister Armelian.
Miss Saroj, please come here. Saroj, Miss, kindly come here. Sister Armelian.
Come here. Class 11, 12 boys, come here in the starting point. All the participants, those are participating class 11, 12, please come here in the starting point. This is the starting point. I request all
MT Taha, Ashish Naik, and Anshuman Sahu, Yuvraj Pradhan, and MD Faisal are the winners for discus throw from class 10. Anshuman Sahu, Yuvraj Pradhan, and MD
line number 3 red, line number 4 blue. And green, yellow, yellow, yellow. Thank you, Lane.
Your attention, please. All of you, come on to the field. Students, wherever you are, all of you come and report here on the field. Rosemary Mins, Shruti Kisan and Ridhima Kirti, Red House. Girls, come to the victory stand for the awards.
for commerce, Sid Sangvi, and arts, Tanmay Patnaik. Congratulations, Debashri Naik, Shreya Majumdar, accept the award. 12 science topper Shreya Majumdar, class 12 commerce topper Sid Sangvi, and class 12 arts topper award is for best performance award in chemistry in name of Raj Lakshmi Sundra. Mrs. Sid Sangvi,
Ma'am.
I announced.
Ma'am. Ready.
12 commerce top and arts Tanmay Patnaik.
After you gave that box also to them, okay? Those are all. And hold on.
Killer from 1975 to 1993. This award goes to Advita Sahu. Advita Sahu of class 10 gets
Good, congratulations.
Ready.
Next we have the award in biology goes to Riddhi Kumari Singh, sponsored by our teacher Shauli Miss.
Yes.
Ready.
In history for the topper Advita Sahu, and the award is sponsored by our teacher Atushi Miss.
Ma'am, इधर.
Next award is for computer, which goes to Ritik Kumari Singh, sponsored by Rao sir. Then we have
Ready.
next we have the award for the
Ready.
Eklavya Award goes to Abhishek Das. Is presented to Mitesh Behera, which is sponsored by our teacher, Mrs. Mona Lisa.
Ready. तीन चाटो लीजिए. इधर देखिए सर.
The Eklavya Award goes to Abhishek Das. And our student Abhishek Das gets the honor.
Ready, ma'am.
The Kalabhumi Award is given to skills.
Ready.
This award is presented by Mona Lisa Miss again.
Receives the prize for English.
Ready.
The student best in history, Tanmay Patnaik, Science. For history and political science, for psychology, Abhilasha Maji is being awarded and it's sponsored by Arpana Miss.
Ready.
Arpan gets the prize from Shauli. Shauli Miss sponsors the award. For accounts, the award goes to Sid Sangvi, is sponsored by the board. To Praveen Kumar Tanti is sponsored by Shuja Miss. The Economics Award is sponsored by Mulchandani. Computer Science Awards are sponsored by Kaushik Sir. To Prabhutva Srivastava, the Chemistry Award to Shreya Majumdar.
Sir.
And it will be given to Padmaja Pradhan.
Sir, इधर
Padmaja
देखिए.
Pradhan will receive the Fine Arts Award. Goes to Sailesh Bodra, and the sponsor is our teacher, Mrs. Ruby. And this award is given in Bodra, and the award is given by Ruby Miss. Late Mrs. Bimla Rai Award for Excellence, the Best Athletics Award.
Ready.
And as we come to the concluding moments of this memorable annual sports day and the true spirit of sportsmanship, to bring this wonderful day to a vibrant close, we now present the finale performance, a colorful and joyful expression of unity and celebration by our students. Let us enjoy the hard work and enthusiasm of our young performers.
As the brings to you
for the one and only dream to win the World Cup. So you better back up, because they're coming on now and they're coming on hard. Get out of the way, because it's dreaming. Jack Daniels.
और ये इंडियन विमेन हॉकी टीम वर्ल्ड कप में अपनी जगह बना चुकी है। ये इंडियन विमेन हॉकी टीम फाइनल तक पहुंच गई है।
in teamwork, sportsmanship, leadership, and resilience. May I now request our respected principal, Sister Phyllis, to kindly announce and declare the best house of the year 2025.
I'm also waiting for it.
Because I need to announce before that the best individual scores, best activity. Then only I will announce the best house. Best house, if you become indisciplined, I won't announce. Discipline is included for the best house. 6 to 8. Arnold is in which class? 6 to 8 boys. So the trophy goes to Saibada Mishra. Boys. Okay, next, Leonard Dias, please come. Okay, from classes 9 and 10. Alok Gandharva and Gracious Denver. So before I one announcement, only one there will be, no second and third and fourth. So, but of course I will announce the points. Green house scores 140 and the yellow house wins 174. Congratulations to all. Of giving the best house award. Sister Phyllis, kindly do the honor. The most important part of the day, dear students, kindly be seated. Teachers, please make the students. Teachers, DSP, Shri Purushottam Bhoi sir, we are honored by your visit. I also thank you to our principal, Sister Phyllis, for her tireless effort to ensure and enjoy the event. Sister Phyllis, your dedication to excellence is truly commendable. Staff, technical staff and volunteers, your presence and cheering from the sidelines amplified them. My sincere thanks to the Birsa Munda Athletic Stadium Association Rourkela, the Odisha Sports and Youth Services Department for letting us host our sports event. Thanks to our students, the champions, the real stars of today, glory of sportsmanship, have made this day unforgettable. We are proud of you. I would also like to thank to all the teachers who worked hard to make this event a grand success. Thank you everyone who attended and contributed to the vibrant atmosphere. With feelings of gratitude and joy, I conclude by saying that this event wasn't just about winning, but about fostering a healthy competition. Thank you all, and let's carry this spirit forward. Thank you.
To kindly declare the sports meet closed and perform the flag down ceremony. Silence.
As the flag is lowered, let us remember the values it represents: discipline, unity, fairness, and the true spirit of sportsmanship.
Kama School Annual Sports Meet 2025 Plus.